Welcome back to another Dynodaze video, and this is one very nice black EP3 Honda Civic TypeR in today for an ECU exchange and remap. It's got some lovely modifications on it that we will list shortly, but yes, it's strapped down, ready to go. It's going to have its stock power run so that we can see what she's putting out. Then we'll do an ECU exchange and we'll start tuning from there. So here we go, guys. there we go, another EP3 mapped.
Yeah, another one done.
Oh, this is nice and comfy.
Nice black one, nice and clean. So
it is.
Talking to the customer about liquid wraps this morning. We gave him a little tour of the paint shop, and he likes the rock covers. He might treat himself to a rock cover at some stage. So yeah, had a
right treat.
Had a little chat with him this morning. Had a walk around, had a look at some cars and stuff. It's been quite a chilled morning. It's been a little relaxed. Jensen's not here today, and there's not a massive amount in today, so it's been a little bit.
Still a couple of maps, mate.
Yeah, still a couple of maps, but it's been a lot more chilled. It's a bit of a chill morning today. It's the Friday before the bank holiday as well, so it's a bit of a long weekend for us, which is nice. Well, for people that are watching other countries that might not know, it's bank holiday weekend. Yeah, so generally an all-round good selection of mods on this car. It's got an RBC inlet manifold on it. It's got the Tegiwa letterbox induction kit. It's got 4-to-1 Decat manifold and a Tegiwa 70mm.
Tegiwa 70mm.
Which are all good mods.
Love it.
Spoke to the customer, he said he'd had an LSD fitted yesterday, or he bought a box with an LSD in it and he had it fitted yesterday. I don't believe he's got a final drive in it. I think it's standard final drive. We sort of calculated between 230 to 240. 240 would be optimal. We finished on 237, which
238. I'm calling that.
Oh, 238 maybe. So it's 237 and a bit. So 238 did really well.
All these parts are available on the website.
Oh yeah.
If you want to book your car in at Dynodaze for any manner of mechanical work, whether it's fitting mods, servicing, fitting a clutch, or mapping, just give us a shout. You can either drop us a message on Facebook, or you can email us, or pick up the phone. The phone number's down below. There'll be a list down below of all the best mods that we recommend for an EP3, so have a look at that in the description. But yeah, it's done really well. Been pleased with this one.
Shameless plug there. If we're going to do a shameless plug, we might as well do one from Cookie's Paint Shop as well.
If you want your car liquid wrapping, or you want a nice candy red rocker cover or spoon yellow or whatever, again, give us a shout. You can either give us a bell or messages on Facebook, find Uncle Keith, and we'll get you in and we'll make it something spectacular for you.
Yeah, 100%.
Let's go look at the graph.
Let's have a look at this graph.
Okay, so as we always say, red line is as she comes in, blue line is as she leaves. Power made right the way across the rev range. Extended the revs out to 8.6, lowered VTEC, and we finish on 238 brake horsepower, 202 at the wheels, a 60 brake horsepower improvement in the mid-range, and another one in the bag. So thanks for getting to the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen. Richard shutting the bonnet there as we speak.
I was
trying to. Code word for this video is going to be RRB?
No, RBC.
RBC. There we go. I'm used to RRCs. RBC, and we'll see you on the next one, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed.
Before, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.